We'll pick up on our conversation with the Vice President, but this push for a digital single market brings up another issue. Almost half of us in Europe lack digital skills, while 90% of jobs in the future will need them. So we sent off Dennis Lochtier to tech-mad Estonia to see how we can reskill ourselves for the most seemingly undigital of jobs.
Estonia might not be the richest of the EU countries, but when it comes to digital public services, it's at the forefront. Estonian e-thinking is best symbolised by its electronic ID card, which serves as a digital signature, allowing citizens to submit their taxes, sign contracts, vote or pay for their public transport, all electronically.
Compared to the whole of the EU, Estonia is a relatively small market. Still, Estonian achievements, as well as its shortcomings in the digital area, provide a valuable study for the rest of Europe.
The local healthcare system shows how well even the most traditional domains can move to digital. All the health records and prescriptions are electronic, so this emergency room can access all the patient's medical details by his or her electronic ID number.
All the analysis, all the CT scans, sonography, all the previous surgery that has been done, I mean everything. A lot of old-fashioned doctors won't be starting to use it, but the new oncoming generation is definitely going to use it.
Software developers worked with doctors to make these new tools easy to use, minimizing reskilling needs. Still, this digital evolution unavoidably affects the workforce.
The doctor who is doing today quite, let's say, simple, data administration jobs must be freed of this activity. And we are pushing those activities, we are pushing to the nurses' activities. What they are doing today, we are pushing to the, let's say, medical administrator stuff and so on.
So, does the digital single market kill or create jobs? Ain Avikso, who's in charge of e-services at the Estonian Ministry of Social Affairs, believes that shifting of some work to less qualified staff improves both efficiency and employment.
The digital single market, by all means, creates jobs. It will shift away some of the jobs from some areas where human labor has been used mostly. And healthcare is one example, say in hospitals. But it will create jobs in other areas, and it will also create jobs in the companies who will develop those products, which we can then sell also outside of Europe.
The Estonian digital economy lags behind the EU average in electronic information sharing, RFID use and electronic commerce, with the digital single market now holding the key.